Hello friends, thank you so much for stopping by today and welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Alyssa and I know I'm still on the Halloween crafts, but I promise you this is probably going to be my last Halloween journal that I'm going to share with you guys for this season. And I know a lot of you have moved on to Christmas or Thanksgiving maybe, or just something else other than Halloween. But this paper bag journal that I made was just too cute, and I really wanted to share it with all of you. So this is what it started out as, just one of these simple little paper bags from Dollar Tree. And this is what it turned into. And I do have a tutorial on how I make my paper bag journals here, so I will link that down below. It was probably one of the first videos I ever did, or just something that I did very early on in my YouTube journey, but my process in making it is still exactly the same. So I'll have that tutorial linked down below if you're interested. But this video today is just going to be the flip through of this Halloween junk journal. And I mean, of course, you can make it whatever kind of theme you want to. So if you're onto your Christmas crafts, make it a Christmas themed one, or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa. So on my cover here, I have Halloween using my alphabet stickers. And I did add some silvery glitter to them. And this here was from the handle of the paper bag. So I just added that as well for a little embellishment. And then for the jack-o'-lantern face, I added just some gold glitter glue as well. And so I used the glitter glue from Dollar Tree for this, of course, but it's not like the best glitter glue. Like, it takes a really long time to dry, so I probably wouldn't recommend it, but if you're on a budget like I am, then it's decent. Anyway, let's go ahead and flip through this Halloween journal. I have a side pocket on the inside here, and I just added a little sugar skull and a tarot card. And then my first page here is this cute little pumpkin doily. On this page, I just have some little embellishments on the side, and I thought a photo would go nice here, or you could even just journal all over this page as well. And I just did some collaging on this page. There's some bats all over and a little tag that you can also journal on. This here is a pocket, and I used the bag handle to create this cute little heart. And inside, I just have a tag. You can journal on the inside of that, and it says Happy Halloween. And then this here is just, yeah, this was an index card, but I inked up around the edges with some orange, and I have some Halloween themed paper on the front as well. And over here, I just have two pockets. So I have a little orange spider web here, the spider down below, and a little ghost sticker. And on this page, this little flip is actually, it's stuck in the pocket. So this is also a big pocket page, but you can journal on the inside of this and it flips open. And on the front, I have a cute little ghost, and I wrote boo, added some of this ribbon or tulle behind it. And I've just washi taped this little Happy Halloween journaling card onto this page. So I'll just slide this back in, and then I also just included some extra writing paper in the very back pocket as well. And then over on this side, I have a little paper clip, or not a paper clip, a clothespin with a charm on it. And that's just holding this tag down. And over on this page, Again, you could put a small photo or just journal all over here. I've got some Halloween cupcakes in the corner. And then I have one of these sheets for some writing. I did add a little candy corn in the corner, but this flips up and you've got a side pocket here. And the mummy is a tuck spot. So there's a little pumpkin tag tucked behind the mummy. And over here, I just made a vellum pocket. And inside, I have a floating pocket. Well, like a floating double pocket. So I have a tag in the side here, and then this little ghost is tucked into this pocket. Over here, this part flips out, and so I have another pocket on this panel with a tag. You can flip that open and write inside. And then over here is just some extra writing space, and I have some stickers that opens up, and I have some little ghosts there. And then on this side, I have a tuck spot with some jack-o'-lantern trim. And I have just this little file folder and this tarot card. Oh, and this is also a huge pocket page. So inside I have this little tuck spot. It says Halloween. And then this is also a pocket with a little jack-o'-lantern journaling card. And this is actually an altered guest check. And it was in a different video of mine. I made this like guest check folder. So I just borrowed this from that. All right, and then over here I have some writing space. I just put some Halloween stickers all over. On this page here, I've just paper clipped this tag. This is actually separate, this cute little cat ghost, but it would be cute right on the tag, I think. And then on the other side, I just have an extra little scrap here and this little photo mat that says Boo. And over here, I have a guest check. It is glued down partially, so you can kind of flip it up like that. And it says, come in for a spell. And then there's a side pocket over here. I tried to just do a little embellishing with some extra scraps and stickers I had. And then I just have another one of these tags and one of these that you can journal on the inside. And then over here, I've paper clipped this, which the stickers over here are tuck spots. So I just put this journaling card there and added a little candy cane sticker. But you could also just use this as a photo mat. You could tuck a photo behind there, or you can just put one on the back or a journal on the back, whatever you like to do. And then this page is another pocket. So I have a floating pocket in there. And this was another altered guest check that I made, but I turned it into a haunted house. And then you could write on the back there. And then this is the last page here. It's just a short little journal. So there's a tuck spot with a kitty cat and another tarot card there. And then there's my side pocket in the back. And I just have a little vellum jack-o'-lantern cutout, and then another tag. So that's it. That's my last Halloween junk journal that I'm going to make this season. So that is everything for this journal. I hope that you all enjoyed this flip through. Do you guys have any Halloween plans, or what do you usually do for Halloween if you celebrate? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, if you enjoyed this flip through, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration. I'll talk to you all in my next video, and until then, happy crafting and huge hugs to all of you.